Hi! Today in this video I will show you a simple, effective and non-toxic way to clean your windows without streaks using white vinegar. And I'll explain why white vinegar is so effective at cleaning glass. Let's dive in! Here's what you will need: dishwashing liquid, white vinegar, a bucket, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, a vinegar spray bottle, a wooden skewer for detailing, and a microfiber cloth designed specifically for glass. Glass-specified microfiber cloths have finer fibers compared to regular microfiber cloths. The weave of glass microfiber is denser and tighter. This helps to trap dirt, dust, and oils more effectively without leaving behind lint or streaks. Start by adding a few drops of dishwashing liquid to your bucket, then pour your vinegar. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of regular 5% white vinegar. Since I'm using a stronger 10% cleaning vinegar, I'll use only a quarter of a cup. Fill the bucket with warm water. I will be using gloves to protect my hands from the acidity of the vinegar. The vinegar solution can be a bit harsh on your skin, and gloves will help keep your hands from drying out. First, we'll clean the windows with the dishwashing liquid and vinegar solution to remove any dirt, grime or fingerprints. This step is essential if your windows are moderately or heavily soiled and have visible fingerprints, some spots or smudges, and a layer of dirt or dust. Dip your microfiber cloth into the solution and then start cleaning your windows. Wipe in an S pattern to cover the entire surface. I use a regular microfiber cloth. It picks up dirt effectively, it doesn't leave lint behind, and it allows me to target specific spots that need extra attention and scrub them effectively if necessary. Although for large windows, you might consider getting a white squeegee with a microfiber sponge. A little bit about 10% vinegar. It contains 10% acetic acid and 90% water, making it twice as strong as 5% vinegar. It is more potent for tougher cleaning tasks, such as removing stubborn stains, grease, or heavy limescale buildup. Due to its high acidity, it's often used for more heavy-duty cleaning or in situations where a stronger solution is needed. For cleaning glass, I will dilute 10% vinegar with water to achieve a similar strength as with 5% vinegar. Let's take a moment to talk about why white vinegar is so effective at cleaning glass. White vinegar has a pH level of about 2.5, making it acidic. This acidity helps to break down grease, dissolve mineral deposits, lift off dirt from your windows. The acid reacts with residues on the glass, making them easy to remove. It evaporates quickly and leaves no residue, which contributes to a streak-free surface. Plus, vinegar is a natural non-toxic cleaner that is safe for both the environment and your family, and it doesn't leave harmful chemicals behind. On top of that, vinegar is an inexpensive cleaning solution and is readily available in most households. Once you've finished wiping, it's time for the second step. Spray a light mist of vinegar solution from your spray bottle over the window. To make the window cleaner spray, you need to combine equal parts of water and white vinegar. Now, grab your squeegee. We'll be using a professional S technique to ensure even coverage and avoid streaks. Start at the top of the window, pull the squeegee down, and create an S pattern. Remember to overlap each stroke slightly. Continue the S pattern down the window and finish by wiping any remaining moisture with a dry microfiber cloth designed for glass. And lastly, use a wooden stick, a skewer, and paper towel to reach those hard to clean areas at the bottom. It's great for getting into the edges where dirt can accumulate. And that's how you achieve perfectly clean and streak-free windows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy and effective natural cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.